Do you want an air compressor that'll work like a champ and not break the bank? If so, stick around like a blow-in on Christmas dinner. G'day all you blokes and Sheilas out there, and welcome to Salem's Travels. My name's Ben and this here's Salem. If there's one thing that really grinds my gears, it's when you buy an item for camping or full driving and you pull it out of the box and the thing just doesn't work properly. There's nothing worse than counting on something and it lets you down. And the thing that crunches my cogs more than anything is the overpriced units. You know the ones that you know work and are on the wish list, but who can afford these things? Recently we were looking for an air compressor. The most expensive one we found was $1,000. $1,000, I mean that's ridiculous. You know how many beers you can buy for $1,000? I mean it's an air compressor, it pumps air. So we ended up buying an air compressor from the Full Drive Supercenter. And I'd like to say we're not affiliated. We had to pay for it just like everyone else. Had to wait for it to be shipped to us. There's no kickbacks or anything. It's just the air compressor I found. It was a brilliant price, $130 delivered, and it works really, really, really good. So I thought I'd do just a real quick video, show you how well it works. And here's the front tire of my Ford Explorer. As you can see, I've let all the air out. It's dead flat. There's the weight of the vehicle on it, so I think it's a really good test to see how quickly it pumps a dead flat tire to fully inflate it. So here we go. Well, there you go. We've got a fully inflated tyre and in about a minute's time. A few tricks with the dog and it's all done, which I think is a real bonza effort for something that costs $130. I mean, seriously, hard to go wrong. The only thing that I can say against it is, as you can see, it's pretty big. So you'll have to think twice about where you pack it. But other than that, it's a real good unit. I can touch it, it's not even hot, so there's plenty of work for the other 3 tyres. If you like this video, if it was helpful in any way, please give us a like and a subscribe, and that'll help us out heaps. So till next time.